What's going on, everybody? Today, oh, that sun just hit that light just perfectly, didn't it? So today, I got a call about getting some oil up out of a driveway. Client asked if they can get it done before Thanksgiving, and here it is, just a few days before Thanksgiving. And really, the only time we had to work it in was today on Sunday, and thought, well, might as well try to get it done, make the client happy, and they can have a good holiday. So, heading there now. Temperature's pretty cold out. It's about 32. I guess it's not too cold, but it's cold. You know, right at freezing. And try to clean this driveway. So, have not seen the driveway. Just got the phone call, asked some questions, shot him a price over the phone, and told him, you know, obviously get there and assess it. If it's worse, then the price will go up. So, I'm gonna head there, assessed it, show you guys what's going on with it, and then I'll show you some chemicals we're gonna try to use and see if we can get it at least looking better. Probably won't get everything out, but hopefully a lot better than what it looks now, which I don't even know what it looks like, so may not be too bad, and maybe look like a gas station, you know. So stay tuned, and we'll check this out together. Alright, we're here. Now we're going to check out this oil stain, see what's all about. Let's see, tire marks, and bam. So let's get some chemicals on this so I can set up for a minute. Spots scrubbed, and I'll probably go ahead and hit it again. I'm going to let this dwell for about 15 minutes or so, and then we'll hit it with the surface cleaner, see how it works. Alright, it's like I'm going to let it sit for about 15-20 minutes, so I'm going to sit here and unroll the hose reel for the pressure water line, get that all set up, and let this sit and see what she does. Hold on, stay tuned. Okay, I went ahead and wetted the concrete. You can see he was trying to use Purple Magic, and he called us. But kind of wetted the concrete just so hopefully none of the runoff gets put anywhere else. So we're gonna go ahead and get this clean. See what it looks like. what it's looking like. What do you guys think? You think this is doing any good? Oh yeah, by the way, this is Gold Assassin. It's a chemical I'm using. And yes, I'm using a cold pressure washer. So hopefully it does a really good job. So it's round 2. What are you guys thinking of round 2? Think it's doing any good? About to go for round 3. Be back. Alright, so got that done. I'm gonna say it didn't come out as well as I was hoping it did, but the client was super happy. He said it came out better than what he was expecting, which, you know, which is good for us. But yeah, I was hoping to get it a little bit better than that, but it didn't work out. Took 3 rounds. Client was happy with everything, happy that we showed up on time.
To stay on South 775 East.
And said that where he works, he's gonna give our name out to all the employees and hopefully get more jobs out of this. So temperature is now 27 degrees Fahrenheit. My garden hose was freezing. The garden hose had ice wrapped around it from it getting so cold. So once I get back to the shop, I'm gonna unhook the garden hoses. But yeah, I'm gonna get to the shop, unhook the garden hoses, put them in the shop, get all the chemicals in, run some antifreeze through the pressure washer again to winterize it. Yeah, it's cold out. So I'm gonna tell you, look, I'm gonna show you that it's, my truck's reading 27 degrees. Look at that pretty sunset right there, guys, gals. Look at that. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Nothing like the country ride. Heading home from a little like for you guys to leave a comment below. Tell me what you think of the Golden Assassin. Did you expect to do better? Expected to do worse? Wasn't impressed. Again, using cold pressure washer, so it's not, we don't have heat. That would actually make a big difference in this case. But the client was happy. I was hoping a little bit better than results, but I do know with the Golden Assassin, over time it does start to fade away more, so hopefully in the next few months or something it will look better than what it does today. But leave those comments below if there's another chemical you guys like for us to try out. Make sure you leave it in comments. Glad to pick it up, and we'll try it out on the next oil spill and see what happens. Until next time, guys. Later, everyone.